10 Best Quotes of Film Wild Strawberries 1957. Wild Strawberries is a drama that follows 78-year-old Professor Isaac Bog, who after 50 years of work is preparing to receive his doctorate from Lund University. Irritable, cold, and aloof, Isaac embarks on the journey with his daughter-in-law Marianne, with whom he has a distant and stilted relationship. During his trip, he encounters a lively group of young people and an unhappy couple, as well as various places that remind him of his childhood. Plagued by strange dreams, Bog takes the time to introspect and reflect on his long life. Wild Strawberries is only the second film by influential Swedish director Ingmar Bergman that I have watched, and it completely blew me away. Dr. Evald Bog, it's absurd to bring children into this world and think they'll be better off than we were. Marianne Bog, that's just an excuse. Dr. Evald Bog, call it what you want. I was an unwanted child in a hellish marriage. Marianne Bog, I know that this is wrong. Dr. Evald Bog, there's neither right nor wrong. We act according to our needs. Marianne Bog, sleep well, Professor Isaac Bog, yes, but recently I've had the weirdest dreams, as if I must tell myself something I won't listen to when I'm awake. Marianne Bog, what's that? Professor Isaac Bog, that I'm dead. Although I'm alive. All along the line, there's nothing but cold and death and loneliness. This stark observation encapsulates the existential dread that permeates the film. You're a worried old man who's soon going to die, but I have all my life before me. A poignant contrast between youth and old age, highlighting the fear of the unknown. It's absurd to bring children into this world and think they'll be better off than we were. A cynical view on the cyclical nature of human suffering. Quotes on relationships and love. Goodbye, Father Isaac. Can't you see you're the one I love? Today, tomorrow and forever. A desperate plea for love and connection. I know that this is wrong. There's neither right nor wrong. We act according to our needs. A complex exploration of morality and human desires. Isaac Bog, in our relations with other people, we mainly discuss and evaluate their character according to how they behave and conduct themselves, while with ourselves, we are more interested in what we intend and are capable of doing. Sarah, you know so much, but you don't know anything. Isaac Bog, I have been far too strict in my treatment of myself. The result is just what might be expected. I'm not fit to live with. Marianne Bog, the day you were content to be yourself, the day you found peace. Isaac Bog, I accept that I am a man of old-fashioned, rigid ideas.